everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a snack box unboxing to share with you. It's not just snacks, there's some traditional items in there as well. And I have got a mystery box from Thailand in a box. So if you love Thailand, or if you've dreamt of visiting Thailand, maybe this is a box for you. This box is kindly sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. All thoughts and opinions remain my own, and all details can be found down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This isn't a subscription box, it's a snack or gift box, so a one-off box. They ship worldwide for free and they've got a choice of 3 different boxes. You've got a seafood box which will cost you $44.99, which works out to be about £32.80 in UK pounds. Then you've got a mystery box, which is what they've sent me. That costs $50. It works out to be around £36.50. And then you've got Thailand in a box as well, which is a smaller box which will cost you $34.99, which works out to be around £25.50. One of the reasons I was excited to receive this box was the fact that they offer free worldwide shipping. So I thought, yes, this is going to appeal to a lot of people. That's if you're into your snack boxes, that is. But also there's no custom charges. I did ask them before I agreed for them sending me out a box, and they said as far as they're aware, they've sent boxes to Germany, UK, USA, and there's been no issues with customs, and there was no custom charges my end, no difficulties in them sending it out to me either. So although there's 3 different categories for different boxes you can opt for, they do ask you to fill in a little short questionnaire, and it's like your age, asking you if you've been to Thailand before, what did you like about it, or your preferences for snacks, etc. And also they ask if you have any allergens or foods that you don't want to be included, which I thought was really good. If you want to learn any more about this box, then please check out the link down in my description. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. I haven't opened it up yet. I am dying to open it up and see. Got a little card here, which I'll have a look and see what it says, but I'll just give you a sneak peek first. Oh my gosh. So it says, enjoy your Thai experience, and it's got here, Dear Claire Kelly, my name. Oh, okay. Oh, it tells you everything about the products inside the box. It says, for instance, like the first thing I'll pull out, it says candies with watermelon and menthol smell. So just in case, possibly, I don't know what it is. It's not in English, but that's fine. Okay, so I'll go through it one by one. It just says here, authentic Thai snacks, ingredients, homemade and handmade products with traditional stuff delivered to you directly from Thailand. So let's go for this. What was it again? Candies with watermelon and menthol smell. Sugar-free candies. All right, I love anything watermelon. Cooling watermelon for fresh breath. Oh, the watermelon is gorgeous. I wonder if these actual, like, chewing gums or something? They're just little sweets there. Okay. Whoa. They're hard. Oh my word, they are really nice. They're like an extra minty watermelon. Hard, sweet. That is so nice. It's really refreshing. Oh, I like that. I could bite it now. It is quite strong, but it is gorgeous. I really, really like them. Yeah, love them. So far, so good. Let's go for something else that's sweet then. So, oh gosh. It's like the feeling of extra strong mints, if you've ever tried them. You know, oh, I love them. Anyway, next we got some Grape Jelly yo-yos, gummy jellies in grape flavour. Now again, that sounds gorgeous. Does it say anything else here? It says here, it is jelly with a grape taste. Right then, it sounds great for me. And just get right in there. Oh, look, they're all little individually packed. Oh, so that's good. So I won't feel the need to eat the whole packet afterwards. I've got to share these with my kids, I promise them. Oh, sounds great. They're nice. It's nice. That just slid down my throat. That did not last long in my mouth. They are really nice. I do really like them. Okay, I'm gonna have to see what this next one is. Oh, I love things like this. I absolutely love trying them. Chewy candy tamarind from Otop. Does that make any sense to you? Any of you that live in Thailand or been to Thailand? There's a little bag there. Right there. They look like little balls of chewy candy. Exactly what it says. Can you see? Okay, let's try it. What is the flavour? I don't know. Am I eating something fishy here? It is sweet. It's like a jelly. It's definitely chewy, but there's also something savoury about it, and I'm wondering if it's fishy. I'm really glad that I don't know, actually, because if it was something fishy, I don't think I would eat it. I do like fish, but not fishy sweet. Tamarind. What's a chewy candy tamarind? It's a fruit. It's a fruit. It's a brown pod-like fruit. It's very much like dates, but it's got a different type of taste. No, they aren't my favourite so far. Some milk tablets. These are by Rochella. They're milk tablets, sweetened flavour. Oh my gosh, okay. Milk tablets, sweetened flavour, popular candy for kids. Okay. Whoa, the powder coming out of them. Oh, it smells so nice. It does. Oh, it smells like white chocolate. Yeah, they're literally little tablets. Can you see? Okay, let's try it. It's weird. It tastes of milk, but it's in a tablet. It just reminds me of a supplement that tastes of milk. Not that I've tried a supplement that tastes of milk. If it was a chewy sort of sweet, I think I prefer it, but as it's literally like a tablet, oh, I don't know, it's just so weird. I'm gonna chew it. No, not for me, not for me. Okay then, so out of the 4 things, 2 I like, 2 not so much. So now on to the savouries. Okay then, I've got a pack of something here. Have you ever tried spicy cheese chips before? This is a new experience for you. Okay, I love cheese crisps, and if they're spicy, yum. It's in there. Okay. It's nice, but I don't know whether it's because, whoa, the spice is kicking in now. I was going to say that I'm not sure if it's because I ate that milk sweet beforehand, but when I first put it in my mouth, it tasted a little bit of like smelly cheese. Didn't smell, it smells gorgeous, but the smell of a taste, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it is spicy. It is really tasty. I do really like them. Like a farm taste. If ever you were to taste a farm, I can't describe it. Hopefully you know what I mean. I'm not very good at describing this, am I? A very strong type of cheese. So there's that. Next, whoa, we got something hot there. What have we got? I can't pronounce it, apologies. Inafon, popular Thai brand of chips. This thick cut chips are significantly spicy with paprika and barbecue flavour. Oh wow, okay. If you've ever been to Thailand, or if you actually live in Thailand, please let me know what you think of these snacks. Oh, there's not much in there. Look at that. There's only around 5 or 6 in there. There's not many, is there? They are gorgeous. Really spicy. They are really nice. Woo! I do really like them. It's a shame there's only a few in there. I don't really like them. Okay, now on to something green. Look. They look like green puff crisps. It says Snack Jack, top 5 most popular snack made from real green pea, non-fried. Those crisps have a lasting effect. I'm sweating. Oh my word. Okay. Oh, look, can you see in there? Oh, what's this smell of? Oh, I don't like the smell of them. It smells a bit like chlorine, but I do love pea crisps. So, no, I'm not going to smell. These are really nice. They are really, really nice. Yeah, they're gorgeous. Just don't smell them. So last of the snacks. Thai coated peanuts flavoured with chicken paste. Chicken taste, I mean. The most popular brand of peanuts in Thailand. Okay. They are so nice. No wonder they're the most popular. I'd eat them in a shot. They are gorgeous. So those are all the snacks that are inside the box. And now on to the traditional items. They could be like touristy items, or they could be handmade items that are traditionally given to families, friends, etc. So yeah, let's start off with this oil. Okay. I'll open it up now. Thai Herbs Nasal Inhaler, used for relaxation and to relieve bites from insects. Oh, it's a little roller. That is really strong with menthol. I can imagine that working for if you've got colds. Or, let me just see a bit there, if you've got a cold. Oh yeah, definitely for insect bites. Wow, what a fab product. What a fab product. When's it run out? It says it expires 2023, so I've got a couple of years to use that by. Oh, I'll take that on holiday whenever I go on holiday next. Yeah, handy. Okay, the next one is so cute. Look at look, it's a little keyring. A gorgeous little elephant keyring. See its little eyes and his ears. That is so cute, isn't it? I think I'd probably take the tail off, maybe. Just keep it like that. But then elephants do have tails. That is so nice. I do really like it. Is there any information about it? Every tourist's like it. It's the animal of Thailand, so it says. Yeah, I do really like that. I think that's cute. I got a bowl from real coconut shell with varnish, handmade painting. Popular gift from Thailand. Do not use a microwave and do not put hot food in it. Oh my gosh, from coconut. I love this. I absolutely love this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beautiful. Made from coconut. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. And then lastly in the box, it's an added extra. They've given me a little postcard here, and it says the Temple of Emerald Buddha in Bangkok, Thailand. There's a little postcard on the end there. So yeah, so those are all the products. I love a bit of everything. I love the fact that it's got sweet treats, it's got savoury snacks, and also some traditional items in there as well. I love that bowl and the keyring and that oil. That oil is fab, although it's very strong. The smell is really strong. The snacks are really exciting to try. Absolutely love trying new foods. Some of them not so keen, but a lot of them I do really like. I wasn't sure what I would make of it, but I thought it'd be quite an interesting video to make and to show you. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? This box is the mystery box, and that costs $50, which works out to be about £36, and there's free shipping. There's free worldwide shipping. I think this would make an amazing gift for someone. I do think if I was given this, say on my birthday or something from someone, I'd be so chuffed. Yeah, the snacks will go quite quickly, you know, but it's the excitement level of eating the snacks, finding out what they are, things like that. But also the keepsake gifts, I think are lovely. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you ordered a box from Thailand in a Box before? Are you thinking, whoo, yeah, maybe I know someone who would really love this box, or yourself, for instance? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. Even if you don't like this box, still interested in hearing your thoughts. So thanks for watching. watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.